Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you again. If you're in commercial real estate and you're not using AI yet, I hate to break it to you. You're already behind the eight ball. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I reached out to several of my commercial real estate agent friends across the United States and I asked them the top AI tools that they're using. And I'm going to break down the top 5 AI tools that are helping them work smarter, not harder. So whether you're looking to close more deals, find better tenants, or just stop drowning in research and emails, these tools can give you a serious edge. So let's jump right in. So first out of the gate, we've got Reonomy. Now, if you're looking for data or analytics to drive smarter deals, this is going to be your go-to. Reonomy uses AI and machine learning to turn raw data into actual insights. The top CRE brokers use it for deal sourcing and prospecting. It helps them find off-market properties based on super specific filters like asset type, owner history, or even pre-foreclosure status. It also does ownership discovery. It digs through LLCs and gives you actual ownership contact information so you're not chasing ghosts, which we've all done a lot of, right? It does market intelligence. It analyzes comps, spots trends, and predicts which properties are likely to hit the market soon. And it has workflow integration that you can plug Reonomy directly into your CRM, automate research, and it'll save you hours a week. Next up is one that almost everybody loves, and it's Placer AI. This one's really a game changer, and I'll tell you what the agents love about it. So the foot traffic analytics, it allows you to see how many people visit a site, when they came, and how long they stayed. Obviously very important data, right? It also has true trade areas, know exactly where your visitors are coming from, not just a 3-mile radius, but the actual data. It also does demographics and customer journeys, understand income levels, brand affinities, even behavioral patterns. And the next one is one that I really love about it, and that's void analysis. You want to know which tenants are missing in an area? Placer and I can tell you who's missing in that area and help you fill those gaps. You want to see what's coming down the road? It does that for you too. It does predictive analytics. It forecasts future traffic trends and retail shifts before your competitors can. So also very important information. Tool number 3 is Lev, and this one's all about streamlining commercial real estate financing. So if you're an investment broker and you're spending too much time chasing lenders or managing those clunky spreadsheets, Lev might just be your new best friend. So let me tell you a little bit about what it does, because it was amazing to me. I'd not heard of this one. It does lender matching. Lev will connect you with thousands of lenders based on your specific deal criteria. It can save a ton of time. Workflow automation. It'll automate follow-ups, it'll automate outreach and deal tracking so you can focus on what matters the most to you, and that's your closing. It has a centralized CRM. It keeps everything in one place. You can find your contacts, your term sheets, lender notes, and having that communication in one place is very powerful. It also does, and this was surprising to me, it has AI-powered deal structuring, so the platform can even help you draft term sheets in seconds using real-time market data. At number 4, we have Superhuman, which technically is an actual email app, but hear me out on this one. It's for every agent that's juggling dozens of leads or clients. Email speed and clarity matter, and Superhuman is built to help you power through your inbox and get it down to 0 as soon as possible. So let me tell you a little bit about how it can help you. So it's lightning fast with email. It creates efficiencies with shortcuts, follow-up reminders, and has a super clean interface, super easy to use. It has CRM integration. It'll plug into Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and several others. It'll help you manage deals right from your inbox. Now, another one that I think is very important if you have a team or you're a small company, team collaboration allows you to automatically share notes, share contacts, and updates within your team. So those are very powerful. You're going to have less chaos. You're going to get more action. It's like having a personal assistant for your communication. So this is another good one to add to your list. So last but not least, we have one that I had not heard of until we did this, and it's mapzot.ai. Now, I don't think I can live without it. So this tool is a beast when it comes to site selection, for tenant placement, and market analysis. So let me tell you a little bit about what it can do for you. It has an AI-powered site selection. It will analyze over 600 variables from demographics to competitor presence, which is very powerful for what you're trying to do. It also does retail tenant matching. It'll use void analysis to identify gaps in a market and find the right tenant for every one of your spaces. It does sales forecasting. It'll predict performance and avoid cannibalizing in your own portfolio even. It has great foot traffic and consumer insights. It's a lot just like Placer AI, but with even more geospatial and behavioral data. It does custom reports. This I absolutely love. It'll generate beautiful investor-ready presentation that back up your strategy with data, which we know that every investor wants to see. So very powerful for you. So there you have it, folks. There are 5 powerful AI tools that top CRE professionals are already using to close deals faster, grow smarter, and stay ahead of the curve, which we're all trying to do, right? But let's do a quick recap. So Reonomy is data and owner discovery. Placer AI, foot traffic and location intelligence. Lev, smarter, faster for your financing. Superhuman, email that actually works for you. And last but not least, mapzot.ai, site selection and tenant strategy on steroids. So 5 very powerful tools that I think you're going to want to get signed up on. Thank you for watching today. If you could, please give us a like. And if you haven't done so, make sure you're subscribed. And I'll see you on the next one.